About to pick that thing up. Got lifted vans, everything out here. Van got a squat on that thing. Man got a squat on that thing. I got the cutty. Y'all see the cutty over there. That shit look good. No ma'am. We just ate. Now you want my food? That's it, you guys. I need to go ahead and bring it home. Got full turn in the cutty now. Say he fixed all the leaks. And I got a new shifter in there. I can't quite see that, but y'all see that chrome down there?